Close your eyes and you will see in every breath I am me, in every star, in every prayer, beyond the form I am everywhere. I am the wind that shakes the trees, the ocean's pulse, the silent breeze, in every shadow, every light. I dance in day, I dream at night. I'm not a name, not just a face. I live in time, I move through space. You'll find me here, you'll find me there. Beyond the lines, I'm everywhere. I am the whisper in your soul, the voice that makes the broken whole. No need to see, no need to stare, just breathe me in. I am everywhere, from heart to sky, from thought to prayer, in love and truth. I am everywhere. I'm the flame that never dies, the tear that falls from silent eyes. I'm in the child, the sage, the storm, in every truth, in every